Raise the frequency.
You are the universe experiencing itself.
Raise the frequency of all the distractions.
Universe experiencing itself.
Raise the frequency of all the distractions.
You are the universe experiencing
Distractions.
the universe.
Frequency.
What up, all you freaks? You're not tuned into the poetic love FreQ of Schmee. Cause I'm a freak of nature. With my schizophrenic monkey nomenclature. A scientific kingdom, phylum, class of exogenetic behavior. Prophetic, but not your savior. Unnoetic neighbor, fuck the haters. We just love proliferators.
The propagators. You are the universe experiencing itself.
Raise the frequency.
You are the universe experiencing the universe.
Frequency of all the distractions.
Mind over matter, we're all freaks. Frequency got in distraction. Hope you understand my passion in trying to put your consciousness back on the map and let you know there's nothing that you're lacking. You're made of matter, you matter, and now you got me matter of fact. And it's happening, I'm spitting facts on matter again. Chit-chatting on shit that matters, always attracted. The ones that matter take action, a dope faction who understand their internal chatter and thoughts have physical reaction. He's looped on a thought, another roadside attraction. Just beat it, Billie Jean, Michael Jackson. Here's some ketamine to help you scatter those matters in the wind.
Universe experiencing itself.
Man in the mirror, Mike Jackson. Whoa, what is happening? Y'all got me feeling relaxed, man.
Raise the frequency of all the distractions.
Enjoy the Kegel and neural reset abstraction.
You are the universe experiencing itself.
Raise the frequency of all the distractions.
Experiencing itself.
Raise the frequency of all the distractions.
You are the